and today is like the best morning to be woke up to. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys. Look at all the snow. The entire deck is covered in snowfall. The trees. Oh my god. And we're gonna take Mara for a walk now after feeding him. But look at this. Look at that. Oh god. And look at the trees. They look so freaking pretty. And the entire backyard is covered in snow today. Whew. Look at that. So we're gonna take Mara for a walk now and then come back and leave him in the deck so he can play around here. And let's do that. Alright guys, we came back from our walk and look at Marvel! What is that? He is having so much fun here. Look at his face! Yes!
Mama, come here!
Oh my god, he's so excited! Yes! Are you excited?
Marlon! Boo! Boo! Marlon, see? Here. That was the worst shot.
Marvel, some snow for you? Marvel! Marvel, here! Marvel! Yeah! Ah, in my head! I did not see that coming. Alright. Yeah! Guys, I'm here to work out and I opened my garage. And because the sun is out, all of the snow is melting from the tree. Look at that. It looks like a snowfall, but it's actually the trees. Snow is melting and it's falling off. It looks so pretty. Look at that tree. All right. Done with my workout, done with my bath, and I'm gonna make lunch. So we have a little bit left over tehri from last night. We're gonna use that, and I'm gonna make some oats, chocolate oats, because it's so cold outside. So something like a warm bowl, chocolatey, will work perfectly. Easy it was to make these oats. They are super delicious. You guys should try it, and they're pretty filling. So if you want something quick and healthy and filling, go for this one. So I just shot a recipe and I'm gonna clean right now. I'm gonna do the dishes. Don't have much, but a little bit. I'm just gonna put them in the dishwasher and then I'm gonna clean the house. So that's what my plan of doing this afternoon is. Done cleaning. Oh my god, I am tired. But while I was cleaning, my granola, the recipe that I shot, was resting. So I'm gonna take a nice picture for my thumbnail and complete my video, I guess. So yeah, I'm like multi-purpose today: cleaning the house, vlogging, and shooting recipe.
What's up? And I am done with work, and that rhymes. Anyways, the plan for the evening. So I came downstairs and Tanya was done shooting her recipe and everything, and she cleaned the house and whatnot. And it's not even weekend yet. She normally does that on Fridays. And then I'm kind of bored, so we are gonna have an amazing night. Since it's cold and it's gonna be cold for the rest of the weekend, he's going crazy because Tanya is giving him food. We decided to actually give Marvel a walk and then go to Yashu and Ashley's place, and we are gonna take some ingredients for momos, and they have some. So momos, pan-fried dumplings, whatever you want to call it. We are actually making technically pan-fried dumplings, right? We are calling xiaozi or whatever it's called. Sorry for my pronunciation. So we are taking some of the ingredients that we that they don't have, and they have some of the ingredients. So we're gonna make momos, and maybe we are gonna make some tortellini on the side if you're not close with the momos. So yes, so that's the plan, and we're gonna play some games. Normally when you meet Elliot, he wants to play Uno, so we haven't played Uno Attack for a little while, so we may end up playing that. And then Ashley got this new game, the Friends game that we played recently. So we may play it again. So let's see.
That game is fun if you have like too many people.
At least 2 teams.
Yeah, at least 2 teams who know Friends very nice.
So anybody who knows Friends or has watched Friends, like crazy Friends fan, too many Fs. If you remember, they had this apartment bet where Ross was the moderator, and they played this game and they bet the apartment. The girls versus boys. Joey and Chandler went against Monica and Rachel. That is what the game is based on. So you go for the pet peeves, it's all relative, and then the lightning round and all that. So it was very fun to play. Unfortunately, we had a team split of like 2 people and 1 people because Nitish doesn't know anything about Friends, which is kind of sad actually. But anyways, that's the plan. So stay tuned for more, and I hope you guys are having some fun as well. Guys, so this is what happens when you reach to somebody's place and they are not home. You stand outside in -2 degrees Celsius, that is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and shiver on the day.
Do you think the key will be under the mat?
Let's try that.
Nope, no luck there.
She's saying we are almost home.
Oh, you're almost home. Okay, okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
I can even see you.
I can see you. What are you doing in the house?
We were trying to look for a key under the mat.
We were trying to find the key under the mat.
We're coming.
Okay.
Yeah, Mary and Tony are not home.
Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. Look at poor Tanya sitting over here. And she just had a very pleasant conversation with this electronic device over here, which is called a Ring doorbell.
Which is called Ashley.
And Astro is barking from inside. He knows somebody is at the door. Has that acidity that cleans your better.
Ah, you give us some food today, please.
Please, please, some food.
Okay.
Some food, please.
Come in.
Some food and shelter for tonight.
My pressure built while sitting outside like this. Hi, Barbie running. Hi.
Hi, Barbie, Ronnie.
Hi, Peewee. Hi, Peewee.
Oh.
Not much.
Lot of things cooking. Momos in there. I'm gonna cook Korean noodles in there. Then I'm gonna cook the normal ramen for Ashley in here. The bread is ready. These stuffed jalapenos gotta go in the air fryer, and the dip for the side of the bread is over here. So I gotta take these noodles and look at all the momos waiting to go in there. And this is the momo chutney, the spicy one. One of the thing is ready. The bread is out. Look at that. It's a baguette. And we crisped it a little bit in oven, and the dip that I made. We're gonna have this. Look at the delicious momos, pan-fried dumplings. Those are the ones that are happening there. Ashley is doing something. I have no idea what.
Some queso.
Queso.
Oh, she is melting some queso. And the noodles are in the pot.
You ready to play?
What are we gonna play, Elliot? Where is it? Oh my gosh. Is it gonna throw cards on us? Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Are you ready to play? Ooh.
Are you gonna win? Ah, yes.
Do you know what Elliot eat today?
What did you eat?
Zappy.
Zaxby's? Zaxby's? Wow, was it delicious? I've never eaten Zaxby's. Is it good?
Did you tell Bua you had a cookie?
I had a cookie.
What else did you have from Zaxby's?
It was bread, chicken nuggets, fries, and cookie.
And what?
Cookie.
Cookie. Ah.
It was like a goldfish cookie.
Goldfish cookie? Yum.
Yeah, I'm ready to play.
Alright guys, I'm not gonna show you the Uno tag, but we are gonna play Uno tag today, and we have shown you how we played it last time, so go watch that vlog. But we are gonna have a lot of fun. Yes,
Yeah.
we are gonna have a lot of fun. And we had snow today.
Yeah.
Did you play in the snow?
Yeah. Actual cut eating it.
Astro was eating the snow?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. And the marble was eating the snow too.
Yeah.
And what did Poopa do just now? I flicked her. There was a bug on the table.
Yeah.
And Poopa just flicked it, and it went somewhere over there. Alright guys, once again, if you do not know what the Uno attack is, it's a variation of Uno with certain different cards and it is super fun to play. It's Elliot's favorite game, so we're gonna play this game and we're gonna see you guys later. Alright, what do you want to tell?
Right. Like.
And share.
Yep.
And you wanna say bye? And tell them we are gonna see you in our next video.
We're gonna see you in our next video.
Until then,
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.